Hello friends, welcome back to another video. I am Agent Shubham. So today is a different topic. I'll be telling you which type of pickaxe to use to mine different types of ores. Now what happens, like some of my friends, they've just started Minecraft. So what happens? They start mining diamond ore with a wooden pickaxe. You know that's funny, right? All the experienced Minecrafters know about this, that we should not mine diamond with a wooden pickaxe. This is also a tip, please note. So today I'll be telling you which type of pickaxe to use to mine different types of ores in Minecraft. And this is only about the overworld ores. It's not talking about the nether ores, like the nether gold ore and something like that. So first of all, let's start with the wooden pickaxe. Now wooden pickaxe can be used to mine coal ore only, nothing else. It can be used to mine coal only. If you mine any other ore with this, it will break, but the ore or something like that will not drop. So first we'll talk about the ores which when you mine you get the usable product, and then the ones which you need to smelt. So let's start with the coal. So I already told you about coal. You can mine coal with a wooden pickaxe or a higher pickaxe like stone or something like that. So you can't mine coal with hand. That would not be, like the coal wouldn't drop. So you need to use a wooden pickaxe or a stone or iron or gold or diamond or netherite. You need to use that in order to mine coal. Now let's move to iron. Like copper, not iron, first copper. So for copper, you need a stone pickaxe or higher, like stone pickaxe or iron, gold, diamond, netherite, like that. You can't use, wooden pickaxe for this. See, if I mine it, let me show you. See, it broke, but no drop came. So you need to use a stone pickaxe or a higher level pickaxe. Then let's go to the iron ones. The iron and copper ones are the ones which need smelting. So I'll come to that later first. And even gold, iron and copper need smelting. This is the raw state of copper, and then the raw state of iron will also come, and then gold. But when you smelt them in a furnace or a blast furnace, then you will get the usable product. So let's first not touch about this. First let's go to lapis lazuli. Now this might be a bit shocking, but you can also use stone pickaxe to mine lapis. See, sorry about the color here. Okay, so you can you can mine lapis by stone pickaxe or higher. I recommend using an iron pickaxe, but if you're just mining lapis, so use a stone pickaxe or a higher level pickaxe. Now the most important is this iron pickaxe. Now some people, what they do, they use a stone pickaxe or a wooden pickaxe, just like I mentioned earlier, to mine redstone and diamond, which is not necessary, and it's a waste of time. So you need to use an iron pickaxe. You need to use an iron pickaxe to mine these two ores. It's compulsory. An iron or a diamond pickaxe. You can't use a gold pickaxe in these two cases, in the redstone and diamond. I think it is like that. Yes, I was correct. You can't use a gold pickaxe in these two cases. I think you can use it in lapis lazuli. Let me show you. Oh wait, lapis lazuli also you can't use. According to me, only coal, I think so. Yes, only coal, then iron. Wait, what? I mined iron earlier. No worries. So only coal, then iron. No, not iron. I think you can mine coal. Oh, actually knew about this, I was just showing you my dilemma. So you can only mine coal with an a gold pickaxe, which is complete waste of time. So what I recommend is never make a gold tool like a sword or something like that. Just directly make an iron. Iron is much better than gold, if you know. But yeah, this is a fact that a gold pickaxe is the fastest pickaxe to mine stone. This is a fact, no doubt about that. So you can mine lapis, redstone, and diamond using an iron pickaxe. You can also use a diamond pickaxe. You can also use a diamond pickaxe. Then wait, let me show you more. And you can also use netherite. Netherite you can find in the nether. I'll talk about that later. So you can use this type of pickaxe to mine like ores. So this is what I mean. And yeah, now let's talk about iron, copper, and gold. Now for copper, I already told you need to use stone pickaxe. Now you have to use iron, and I don't think it. No. This you have to mine iron using a stone pickaxe, and you have to use an iron pickaxe to mine gold. So you get the raw state of it by using it. See, now hopefully you understand about this, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.